off to Midnight Mayhem, Las Vegas Motor Speedway. Josh has got the 3rd gen out. I'm in the SS. Let's get it. This guy is on slicks and skinnies going out to the speedway. We gotta go so slow on the highway. He's got soft wall, 6-inch wide Hoosier skinnies up front, and hilarious. That plate though. You may be asking yourself, this isn't the speedway. Why are we back at Josh's house? That's because Josh forgot his helmet. Patiently waiting. It's been actually almost an hour since we got here and we still haven't made a pass yet. It took forever to get in. We're slowly moving up though. All right, cool. I don't know if you guys can see me. I got 2 different cameras going on here. One's forward, one's at me. Gonna see if we can get this under. They're bullshitting. I'm gonna see if I can get this recorded. I don't know if you guys can tell. There's good lighting out on the track though, so you should be able to see me. I'm up against a Mustang 5.0. He says it's stock, but he's on Hoosier slicks and skinny, so you know. We're on the new track. This is the second set of lanes that they put in because it's a 4 wide here in Vegas. So let's see what she does. I'm gonna try to do the launch control. So I'm gonna go around the water box. Water for me, please. I am going to do a little burnout though. Just no water box. Ooh, lots of wheel hop. Lots of wheel hop. So much wheel hop in first gear, holy crap, and I spun through second. All right, so no launch control next time. I'll just pedal it off the line because that was way too high. Definitely just blasted the tires. That was weird, the track mode turned off. That's all about. Hello. Thank you. Yeah, that was awful. 16.5. All right, we need to get back over there and run it one more time. All right, we're gonna walk the line. I'm super slow. Josh is super fast now. I remember when I beat Josh one time, and now I'm slow. Quite a few nice cars out here tonight. Try to get another pass in. Launch control did not work for me at all. Not enough tire. That's like kind of a
baller wheels.
Yeah, though. Pretty baller. I like this color a lot. This is a nice color.
Isn't that the color maps is?
Back to walking around. Where's Josh? What's up, bro?
Yay.
You want to be in my YouTube video?
You want to be on my YouTube video?
Nah, bro. Get out of my video, bro. Oh, as a Caprice. There you go. PPV. That's cool. Rolling 4 deep. Oop, oop, oop. We're not going anywhere. pretty sure my monologue that I just had did not get recorded. So Josh is right next to me here in his 3rd gen Camaro. He just ran a 12.5, so he's probably gonna, you know, destroy me, but we'll see. Hopefully I can get it into the 13s this time. Last time was super slow. I spun all the way into third grabbed, and it was just a slow run at that point. Trapped just under 100 miles an hour. And I was at the top of 3rd gear, just barely popped into 4th. It's a pretty tall geared vehicle, so we'll see what happens this time. I'm hoping I can get into the 13s, because I don't know if I'm gonna have enough time to wait for another run, because they don't exactly know what they're doing here. We waited almost an hour to make a run here from between our first one and the second one, which sucks, but it is what it is. Okay, GoPros are on. All right, we're coming up here. Hopefully Josh and I can stay lined up. It's kind of inconvenient the way that it's organized tonight. No one's really working. It seems like there's 2 tech guys that don't give a shit, and there's 1 guy up here, and there's a couple people up at the tree in the water box. You know, the guy with the hose isn't doing anything. So as per usual, you know, it's nice that they offer Midnight Mayhem for $20, but if they don't do anything, then what's all our money for? I kind of want to see if the car stays in track mode this time, because it was weird. It like popped itself out of track mode. I'm assuming from all the wheel hop that it just like kicks it off, because I launched it the other day in the street, obviously different, and it sent it. Like it was good. Just out here, it's just too much rubber on the track and street tires. I did take out 10 psi though, so I was on street air. I was on 35, 36 psi, so I took out about 10 pounds. I think I'm down to like 26, 25 right now. Not gonna use launch control, just gonna pedal it out and hope for the best. It would be really cool. You guys can't see, there's a turbo S2000 lining up against this GTR. It'd be kind of cool to see this S2000 just kick his dick in. It seems like that might happen. He said it's pretty fast, so who knows? It's a shitbox S2000 build. Sometimes those are the fast guys. I might try to get 1 more pass in, but I really don't want to wait an hour and a half to run. It's kind of crazy. We have this beautiful 4-lane track. You would think they would run all 4 lanes and be able to knock this out, but common sense isn't common anymore. Saved my life in this thing. Need to learn the car a little better. But still wheel hopped out of first. I need to remember when you're wheel hopping, the trick is just pop the clutch again to get out of the wheel hop. But I also don't want to break my brand new car, so I think that was a low 14 because I was right on Josh's tail at the end there. God, these brakes are squeaky. I need to get some new pads. Thank you. Yeah, 14.2. I figured that was where I was at. I mean, I took 2 seconds off. by not, you know, launch control, smashing the tires. Trapped 100, Josh trapped 111. He ran a 12.5 again. That car's consistent. He ran a 12.5 his first run too. 14.2. So yeah, my 60 foot was shit because of all the wheel hop. And 1,000 foot was an 11.9. If I can get this car to leave properly, I can put it in the 13s. 14.2 is not that hard to get down into the 13s. I'm thinking like 13.7, maybe 13.8 if I can get off the line. That's 4/10. It's not that hard to shave that off. That's easy money. The car's got the power in it.